Hello and welcome to this video, which will be talking about database page. So first of all, I'm going to generate the database. So step one is to structure a database and its relationships. So first of all, you make a list of your databases, your tables, and their relationships, of course. And then as sublists for each thing, you put its relationship. So if product is a child of product type, then you put it as a sublist in addition to putting it on the low level of the list. Okay, so you upload that. And then go to migrations page, your host/migrations. Click refresh, and it'll create stage 2 for you, template. You can copy that and then open up the SQL2 step. Okay, so what we're going to do now is this defines all their relationships. All the fields. So all the fields are generated automatically. So obviously to define the relationships, we need to have fields. Foreign keys, primary keys. Okay, so in addition to the foreign and primary keys, I am now adding the just another field, which is just a name. So each thing can also have a name, each table. Can also have a name field. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm going to upload that. Stage 2, upload. Okay, and then this will generate stage 3, which is here. So you can copy that. I can save it locally as well. And then most important thing, I guess, also is to run it. Okay, so I have a blank database, paste in SQL, run. Okay, I've got all these tables now. Okay, so now if we remove migrations from the URL, we can see now the first thing we see is database view, which shows us the list of all the tables. So this is for an event management system, all the tables needed. So now if we, so obviously a product can be used and then it becomes an event. So if I want to, so for instance, a product can be a wheelbarrow and I want to rent a wheelbarrow out, which is an event. So that's kind of what's happening here. So now if I open products, what we see here now that we've opened a table is this is the table view. So I can add a product here. These two I can leave blank. This one, I'll just give it a product type ID of 1. I'll make a product type employee ID of 1 and name of wheel arrow. Add record. Okay, so now I've added a record. I can view the record and then we can see what the record view looks like. So this is what a record view looks like. Because it's got relationships, we see that it doesn't just have the record information itself, saying that it's a wheelbarrow and the relationships, but we can also see it's the relationship records themselves. So for instance, this product can be, or wheelbarrow can be included in an event. So I can rent it out to Mr. Smith. Product ID has to just be the same as the product I'm in. Okay, then I'm renting to Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, 1st of July. Okay, so Mr. Smith on the 1st of July is renting it. Just add some content for that. Okay, so now I can see that this product has an event now called Mr. Smith. Okay, so yeah, basically it automatically creates an interface showing all the relationships in a record with children and parents. And yeah, thanks for watching.